Welcome to Hello World number 6. Last time I said I would get the Apache Maven JavaDoc plugin working. I have done so. Now when I run Maven site command under target, you get a site directory, which you did before, but you also get API docs and test API docs, which is the JavaDoc. So if we look at this in the browser, this is our app.java file. And under test API docs, this is our app test Java file. So you can see I got this working. So what's next for this video? Well, I thought we'd take things to the next level of complexity and do yet another Hello World tutorial, but this time using the Spring framework, specifically the model view controller pattern, and write a Hello World using a Maven project embedded inside the Eclipse IDE. So things are a little different than this tutorial out on this Program Greek website, because this was a few years ago, back in 2014. So I have Windows 10, Java 8, newer version of Eclipse, and Tomcat 9. But basically I walked through the wizard screens and created my project and ended up with a directory structure similar to this. Here we go. Then I started creating all the files they specify here: index.jsp, pom.xml, which you can see has all of the Spring Framework artifacts. Here we go. Web.xml file. Here we go. Dispatcher servlet XML. Hello World controller, which is the Spring controller in Vue. Hello World JSP. And for step 4, running it on the server, I couldn't quite get that working, probably because it's a newer version of Eclipse, which doesn't match up with this. But if I go out to a prompt in C users read Eclipse workspace Hello World project, and I run Maven package, I specified in the pom.xml that we want to create a war file. That's exactly what it does. So if I look under users, read Hello World, target, here's the war file. And this I can copy and deploy it under Tomcat. But first, before I do that, let's go to the Tomcat homepage under port 8080, and you can see the Tomcat's running. But if I go out to Hello World, not found. So let's take our war file, deploy it out under Tomcat, under the web apps directory. And since Tomcat is running, it'll automatically take that war and expand it out and create a Hello World folder. So now if I go back to here and refresh, there's our Hello World page. And if I click here, the model view controller code is also working properly. The other thing we can do under Eclipse is generate the Java documentation. I'm going to put it under target site temp for now. Target, you can see site directory, temp directory, And you can see these just got generated at 3:50 p.m. Here's our Java doc for our one and only Java file that we created, HelloWorld controller. So that's about it for this video. In the next one, I will create a 3-tier Java application that has client-side code, server-side code, and our Hello World message will be stored in a relational database. After we do that, that's about as far as I can take you with Hello World examples, and you've seen most of the tools that a modern Java developer would use to create an application. Hope this has been helpful so far.